Claire. That's a big gift. Okay, open. Maybe. Break. Electric guitar. Wow. No, baby, here in the top. Here in the top, in the table. Take out this. In the top. Hey, in the top, baby, so we can see. On the top.
Here.
Uy. On the top, put in the top. Yeah. And
About
then,
the knife.
be careful, ha? Sa knife, okay? Talos yan. Be careful.
Yeah.
Okay, be careful, ha? Oh my gosh!
Yeah. Give me the knife. Knife.
Huh? Still knife? Be careful to the knife,
I
ha?
know.
Just getting the knife because it's like dangerous. Oh.
Yep.
That's Michelle, her classmate.
Okay.
What the heck?
There's a cord. Yeah. The amplifier.
Amplifier.
Yeah, the guitar player.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. I'm glad.
Sorry.
Gonna open the guitar or not?
That's what I'm trying to do.
Wow. Show it to it.
Oh, that part?
Be careful to take out. Be careful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Show me to me. Show to me.
That's small.
Roscar, show to me. Aww.
Caution, when playing guitar, it's not the overtime the string. It will dampen it and cause the string to dampen.
Oh, be careful. Just be careful to open it. Oh, nice. Wow. Ah. Beautiful. Ah. Oh,
That's nice.
looks nice, baby.
Use the fire right here.
I know.
Whatever.
Oh,
Love it?
it's over
Love the
there.
color?
Just figure out everything. So
Yeah, you
let's
get the
plug it in.
speaker, the box.
Speaker, oh yeah.
Open the box
It's gonna.
Gently.
gently. Okay. Yeah, that's from the residence. Give to you. Earrings. Can I see? Oh, beautiful. Oh. Next. Okay, Michelle. Open your Michelle. Ah, the one.
The knife.
Need a knife? Need a
Knife.
Hindi na, baby. Hindi no need knife. Ayun, no need knife. Ayun, just only, no need. Ay, be careful with the knife. That's the amplifier. Rosler. Be careful.
Oh my god, it's difficult. Pull it.
There you go. Wow.
The
Wow.
important part.
What is inside? Oh, wow.
The amplifier.
Wow.
Begin
Baby,
with
the other
turn up
side.
volume to
It's
10.
like turn. Hey. The other one.
Oh.
Show to me, show to me. Oh,
Ta-da.
nice. Ta-da.
What is that?
Wow. So you can practice with Michelle now.
Go.
Yeah.
No, open where some gifts.
Oh yeah.
Put it down, that one. Put it down. Baka malaglag yan. Put it down.
Uy, Maggie.
Yeah, open Michelle gift. What is that?
Donald Duck.
Donald Duck. Aw, so cute.
Donald Duck.
Nice. Sabi mo, thank you, Michelle.
Thank you, girl.
Open pa yun. Some of the bugs.
This
It
is
says
a
a
bunch
candy.
of chocolate.
Okay. Alam mo na, chocolate siya. Don't open it. Some of chocolate too. Chocolate. Put it there.
So much chocolate.
Okay. Done. We're good. Okay. Put it down. Okay, go upstairs now. Alam mo yan. Oh my gosh, where are you? Okay, done?
Yeah.
Okay.